Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the first Feel Good Friday shout out of February. And I am here to shout out Miss Celeste Tomkovich, who is our exploratory readiness instructor over at the Career Center. So I'm shouting out Celeste for a few reasons today. First reason being that she has been with us for 25 years. And after 25 years, she's still very active in the district. She serves on our district pandemic team. She serves as a union building rep. So she's very active. But most importantly, she still loves what she does. And when you talk to her, she has a glow when she talks about her students. There is a genuine warmth. There is a genuine love that she has for them. And the fact that she does treat those students as if they were her own after 25 years is inspiring to me. So Celeste, thank you. Thank you for everything you've done for our students. Have a great weekend.